Hello and welcome to Richard's Home Mechanics, and thank you for visiting my channel. And if you're a new subscriber or an existing subscriber, you're very welcome. Now this is just a social of what I've been up to. I've been very busy, so unfortunately I've not been able to post any of my latest projects or bits I've been doing around the workshop. This is a hobby of mine, it's not a business, and I don't do it for anyone else, it's just solely for me, and I get a lot of pleasure from doing it, and I get great pleasure when I get nice comments from subscribers or viewers who visit my channel, and they give me the thumbs up and say thank you, you helped me out so much. If I get one person to do that, it was well worth spending the time producing the videos and the great enjoyment that I may get doing it. Basically, I've been very busy, me and the Sue and family. We're going through the house, we're replastering, new kitchen, bathroom being sorted, new front room being done, new boiler, new heater system. So we've been really under the cosh here. But it's starting to get to the end of it now, so I might be able to hopefully get back out in the workshop. So let's have a look. So I did manage to jump out today. And my van, the £50 Fiat Doblo that I bought for £50 5 years ago, still going, decided to blow its exhaust off a week or two ago. Now this is called a flexi pipe, as you can see, obviously called a flexi pipe. So if you had a solid pipe it would snap, so you need this little bit of flex in the middle, so when the engine's moving up and down and you're going over potholes and bumps, it doesn't snap in half. Right, so obviously it was blowing like a good one, as we can see. It's got a bit of a hole in it there. It's completely kaput, look. So I had a quick look around. Now, a certain big tyre and exhaust fit is what, £181 to fit this section, including labour. Now that's not what we do at DIY Home Mechanics. The idea why I do this channel is to help people, and I'm still learning. I get projects that I've never done before. I'm learning all the time, like we all are. Life is a learning curve. I wasn't willing to pay £181, so I sourced one brand new off the internet, £38. So now that's been put on. But unfortunately, as many of you will find, especially who are on the tools, whether you're a fully fledged mechanic or a DIY mechanic like me, will find that the studs tend to go bang or snap or shear off on the exhaust manifold of the car. And sure enough, on this end here, sure enough, that come out, that come out, that come out, that snapped. And that results to drilling out or whatever. So what we had to do, I had to get me drill out the stud, build up the size of the drill to eventually got the hole and replace it. Now in circumstances like that, unfortunately I couldn't video it because I was under a bit of the cosh. I needed to get the van back on its feet because Sue had a little job for it. She wanted to poodle up down to Hastings in it, so basically it had some work to do. But I will in the near future do a video of drilling out studs. There's just basically a couple of ways of doing it. You can drill them out and try and save the thread and put a new stud in, but 9 times out of 10 the thread will be chewed up if you're unlucky. You can re-tap it with a tap set and re-put a new stud in, but I find it much easier and much quicker just to get a nut and bolt. If you've got access from the eye, put it through a couple of big washers, do it up, jobs are good, and it's a lot quicker. And quite often in the workshop I've got some nuts and bolts which I've took off bits and bobs during the year or over the years, and you've obviously got nuts and bolts and washers knocking around, so it's a quick solution. Project I'm on at the moment, I picked up a Fiat, not a Fiat, we're talking about the van, a Piaggio 125 Liberty, come up cheap, see it on I think it was on Facebook or eBay, whatever, with a MOT file paper. Things on bikes when you buy a bike you want to make sure they're straight. But this hadn't been down the road, it's got knocks and bangs, but basically the main fail was the headstock. So we will be jumping on that. I have done one video of starting to take the plastics off without breaking them, which is a big feat on its own. But I will be doing a video on that, on how to do a headstock bearing. And it's the same for a motorbike or a scooter, whatever, they're all the same. So once you've done one, you've done them all. So basically I will be getting back on the tools very soon. I said we're starting to get there slowly at the house. He said we've had a lot of things to do. And that's basically it, just a video to see what I've been up to. May I thank the people, the new subscribers who are subscribing daily, and the lovely comments that I'm getting and the thumbs up. I really do appreciate the acknowledgement and the time. It does take time to do these videos, that I'm helping people, and hopefully people help me. You know, I go on YouTube and have a look, and it works both ways. It's a two-way thing. So anyway, I will be coming up with a new video soon. It's highly likely going to be, I've got two projects I'm doing. It's either going to be that, or it's going to be part of my motorcycle. I've had to do some repair on a motorcycle I use. So anyway, thank you to the new subscribers that are coming up daily. That's really good of you. And the original subscribers, love the comments. Keep them coming. We'll see you very soon on the next episode of Richard's Home Mechanics. Keep tuned, and we'll see you soon. You take care, everyone, and we'll see you soon.